Tripura hasni Tripura sarangni Kokborok Roman Siribai Swina Bagwi Gosimung Marwnai Khorang Tisakha TSF eba Tripura Uslin Federation Riyakhe beskang sala kotor sobang khonai hinai dam rokha Kokborok kok sitai eba baithangni sitai grei tabo kabung jagano Tripura bud amjung rogo eba hapni samung rogo Kokborok kok Bangla scribe sijago phia Kokborok sanai te sirnai rongni sanmung Ngka Bangla bai sitani jingjalak layo brokni baithana muchungti simanya ucharan khanya jingjalak lai jago sem dokun maniksa samani tongo Bangla bai Swina Bagwi dagi mana sajakliya Kokborok kok sanai rongni sirnai rongni brokni naima wansugui urban scribe Gosimung Marwnai agotra press club kok thumpan nakai saka TSF ni je jamul jomtiya hapang Gosimung riyakhe beskang sala kotor choba ongkhornai agulai simiya haste gnangino choba kotor ungnai Brong tebe sanmung kami amchayo medical college te nursing college khanyana bagwi sanung Tisakha
President Federation, the new executive of 2023, here present with me, our newly elected president, Mr. Samrat Devarma, and our assistant finance secretary, Mr. Samad Devarma, and our publicity and information secretary, Birguram Tripura, and I myself, Kamala Jamatia, the general secretary of the President Federation. Today we need to do this news briefing is that we have recently seen the notification or the response by the Chief Minister to the opposition leader against the Roman script. Directly we can see that we the indigenous people and the Kokborok speaking people are demanding for Roman script since long. But we can see the instruction given by the CBSE that the Roman script is not eligible or two script cannot be eligible at the CBSE examination. But we condemn that because we can see 90% of Kokborok speaking people are demanding, and not only the people, the student, because we can see the Bengali script ruin the phonetic and semantic of the Kokborok language. We are not against of the Bengali script. We respect the script, but for the suitable of the Kokborok language, we demand for Roman script. Not only that, we believe our Chief Minister will look into the matter, and we urge to take immediate implementation of Roman script in the Kokborok subject at CBSE as well as in TBSE. If not, we are ready to go with a greater movement, because this is not an issue for only the people but our future generation and our language. We respect all the language, and we believe that our language also should be protected and promoted. So for all this reason, we demand the Roman script to be implemented at the Kokborok subject at CBSE examination and as well as in TBSE. And we condemn what our Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Chief Minister of Tripura, have said in response to the opposition leader that the Roman script is not applicable at the CBSE Kokborok examination. And not only that, as we new executive said today, our demand, or we have a few more demands. We can see the statue of our Maharaja Birvikram Manikya Bahadur at the airport, lying there at the old airport. We demand the government to shift the statue to the main new airport immediately, and also the two statues standing in front of the Ujjayanta Palace. We respect the people, but as we the student leader and as an indigenous student leader, the government should look the sentiment of the people also, and we request the government to remove immediately of the two statues in front of the Ujjayanta Palace. And also our demand for the medical college, not only within the state but in the ADC area, we can see we have only 2 medical colleges in the entire Tripura. So we demand the government to establish a new medical college under the ADC area as well as in the state, and also pharmacy college, because this is, you can see many students going out in other state, taking all these facilities outside the state. But we believe the government that will take the immediate step to establish a new medical college. Then only we can have more doctors, especially even in recruitings we are facing. So if we have medical college within the state and under the ADC area, we believe it will create a great facility to the state people. Not only, we are not talking about only ADC area but also a state, but especially we can already we have two medical colleges in the state, in the general area. We demand to establish medical college at the ADC area and the pharmacy college. So I believe the running government will listen us, and we demand to take this all demand on behalf of TSF and have immediate implementation action of establishing the medical college and all the demands which we have mentioned. That's all. If you have any question, I will raise up to you.